Well, good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Monday morning. It is the 18th day of December 2023, just 1 week to go till Christmas. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the Home Weather Office. And as I look out the window, it's a rainy, dark morning. I had to turn some lights on here in the Home Weather Office. Don't usually have to do that at the time I record this, which is around 8:30. So rain today. We had rain last night. We have rain in the area now, and we're going to have rain later today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. No snow just yet, and that is a bit of a concern. The snow levels are way up the hill, above 7,500 feet, probably up around 8,000 feet. The tops of the ski areas are likely getting some snow, but that's about it. So let me show you the radar. And again, I'm recording this around 8:30 in the morning. So I wanted to show you this just to give you an idea, because this is likely the way things are going to go. A nice wave of rain has gone through. This covers about 2 hours or so. And you can see that line of rain going across the valley and into the foothills. And notice the motion from the south and southwest is indicated by these storm tracks here. But you'll notice that there's a break back in here. Well, that's the way the next couple of days are going to go. We'll get a wave of rain, then it'll stop for a couple of hours. Then we'll get another wave of rain, and it'll stop for a couple of hours. Let me show you the way it looks on the satellite, because here you'll be able to see the low out here slowly pivoting around, and you can see that little break in the clouds here. But yeah, it's not really going to produce much in the way of it's not as if it's going to be sunny and warm anytime soon. So let's go through a couple of the models and show you the way they're depicting this. Now, there's going to be a lot of discrepancy in the models, as there usually is, in terms of the exact timing. And the exact timing of getting some of these waves of rain through here is going to be very, very difficult. So let's go through this. This is around, stop it here, this is noontime, according to the HRRR. Widespread light to moderate rain, snow still above 8,500 feet, or 8,000 feet. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, tapering to scattered showers. And embedded in any of these, there could be a thunderstorm too. But as you can see, we have these little, like a line of rain, a line of rain, a line of rain. This is tonight around 9 o'clock. And then that continues into the day on Tuesday. So this is as far as this run of the HRRR goes. But you can just kind of see, you know, it's not a solid rain, but it's not as if it's very dry either. Now, along with this, we are going to see some breezes, and I'll show you the HRRR with that as well. So this is around midday and around the Sacramento area and up down the valley. These areas highlighted in this bluish color, those are winds that are gusting into the 20-25 range. These areas highlighted in that more orangey, I should say, more reddish, purplish color, those are gusts up over 30-40. And we will see some of that in the north end of the valley, likely here. Maybe the foothills, maybe into areas of toward Redding, and certainly in the Sierra. But the main point here is that it'll be breezy, and with a lot of leaves still on the trees, not all of them, we'll likely see a lot of that get shaken out here. So you're going to see a lot more leaves on the pavement and that sort of thing, making the roads rather wet. So I showed you the HRRR, I'll show you the NAM. It'll show you more or less the same thing. This is around 10 o'clock tonight. A break in the rain, but another little line goes through. That line goes through. This is Tuesday. This is Tuesday afternoon. It's just going to look and feel a lot like what we're seeing today. Finally, we get into the day Wednesday. The low out here begins to sink to the south. We will see occasional rain on Wednesday. And if I back this up, Wednesday, although this model isn't showing it, may be our best chance of getting some snow here. This is Wednesday night. We might get into chain controls Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday night with not much snow, a few inches of snow. But still, we may have chain controls on Wednesday. And then this is Thursday. The system sinks to the south. If you are driving south on Thursday on I-5 heading over the Grapevine, you will find rain, but not snow on the Grapevine. It's just going to be too warm for any of that. So yeah, it's going to be kind of wet for the next couple of days. Let me show you how much rain this model is showing. Let me move this over here. So this model shows that by the time we get into late Wednesday, the Sacramento area sees an additional 1.5 inches of rain. Favored areas up in the Feather River Basin may see 4 or 5 inches of rain. Same thing in parts of Mendocino and northern Sonoma County, as well as some areas along the coast. Favored areas that are getting that southerly flow. But for the valley, yeah, an inch and a half of rain over the course of a few days. We can handle that. There'll be some big puddles here and there where the leaves clog the drains and that sort of thing. Now, to go beyond this, let's go into the GFS. This is Thursday. This is Friday. This is Friday morning. We are dry. Little wave going by to the north over the weekend will bring some light snow, but this is kind of a dying quail sort of a system that comes through and won't do much for us, but it is going to be colder certainly. And then this is Christmas Eve right here. Christmas Eve is fine. That's Sunday. Christmas Day, this is Christmas Day in the midday. We are dry. And then Christmas night and into the 26th, Boxing Day and beyond, it does look as though we're going to see some rain and maybe some better snow. Yeah, the models have all been indicating for quite a while the next week may turn a little bit more active, especially in terms of snow, but we'll deal with that next week. So in the meantime, today, tomorrow, Wednesday, on again, off again rain. A nice soaking rain for our area. We really can use it, but it is one of those things that's just kind of a nuisance. No problems traveling through the Sierra today or tomorrow. We may have chain controls for a relatively short window on Wednesday, probably in the afternoon or early evening, but we'll keep you updated on that over the next couple of days. So just kind of keep the umbrella handy and drive a little slower. Remember, keep the headlights on when you're on the roads when it's raining. You got to have the headlights on. It's not so you can see, it's so other people can see you. That's everything I've got for you this morning. It's Monday, but I will still do a Facebook live chat tonight at 8 o'clock to show you the latest models and answer any questions you have. And of course, I'll be on TV at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.